lineups shortly here for Villarreal and Granada. Can confirm that Unai Emery has made 2 changes from that side that fell in the European Super Cup midweek. But Robert Moreno, the new Granada manager, has named a very strong 11 in a 4-3-3 formation. First of all, the 11s, we will run through them. For Villarreal, Rulli will start in goal ahead of Sergio Asenjo, with Foyth, Albiol, Mandy making his Villarreal debut in Laliga alongside Pedraza in defence. Yeremy Pino, Trigueros, Capoue and on the sidelines. Trigueros whips in the first corner of the game. The header is just wide. And it's Issa Mandy, the Algerian centre-half, making his La Liga hit again over the bar. Still waiting for that first shot on target, but a very dangerous counter. It's a good ball in behind though. Dia puts it round Adon, and Boulaye Dia can't have an angle for a shot there. Yeremy Pino tries his luck, but put it straight at the keeper. Mostly up front, with the veteran Jorge Molina on the... It's Villarreal with the back post. The header from Capoue, and the shot first time from Yeremy Pino was always rising straight into the stands. Up for a right footer and a left footer. Indeed it is. It's Alberto Moreno, and on target. Managed to get it round the keeper. Counter-attacking chance now for Villarreal. It's Dia from the edge of the box.